Tool Lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, my name is Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today we're going to be going over the operation process for the Ving heat press. This is the large format manual 30 by 40. So the first step in the operation process is to flip your breaker on the back side of the electrical box. So once that is done, you can see we have our 3 LEDs that are lighting up, indicating that each of the 3 zones are heating properly. So once we have our power on, we then need to come in and set our temperature, and we can use the up and down arrows to set our temperature. We'll set it at 155, and then we'll set our time for, we'll say 15 seconds. And you can hear that constant clicking noise, and this is actually the contactor going in and out, and this is only when the machine is heating. So if you want to reduce the amount of time that it's going in and out, you can hold down your set button and you'll see the AL1 display, and you can press set again and find the letter R, and you can increase this number to, let's say 20, and this will eliminate that frequent contactor in and out motion. Okay, so once we have our machine set to our proper temperature and time, we can come over in front of the machine here, pull out our sliding drawer. Actually, before we pull it out, we want to make sure that our wheels are locked during operation. So there's 4 locks per each wheel. So once you have your wheels locked, now we can open it up. So you're going to pull out your sliding drawer. You're going to take whatever material that you're using, place it on the Teflon pad, and you're going to close the sliding drawer, and then you're going to pull down your lever arm, and you're going to press the material for 2 seconds. And this is just to get a nice flat, smooth surface. So after 2 seconds, you'll lift your lever arm up, pull your drawer back out, and this is when you're going to insert your image onto the material. So once you have your image placed on the material, centered and where you want it, go ahead and slide your drawer back in, and we can close it. And we can see on our controller here, our timer is counting down. It should go off for us. There we go. So our material is done. We can come here, open up our plate. You'll be able to remove your material. So obviously different materials are going to require different heating temperatures and different heating times. And so you can actually go on Tool Lot's website and find a table that displays the different temperatures and times for the materials. So this machine, if you're going to be used daily, you're going to need to replace your Teflon sheets on a monthly basis. Also, if it's being used on a daily basis, it should be run in 4-hour shifts and then allow for a 1-hour downtime just to prolong the life of the machine. Some other tips, if your material is yellowing during the image transfer process, you're going to want to reduce your heat and increase your time. Another useful feature found on your control parameter is if you hold down your set button once again until your AL1 appears, and you press set until you find the LCK or the lock option, and you can change the number from 0 to 3, and then we can hold set until we see our temperature display, and now the user can no longer adjust the parameters. So this is a very nice useful feature in case you're only working with one material consistently. So the types of paper that can be used in this machine are transfer paper and sublimation paper. So transfer paper is going to be used whenever you're working with a cotton material. There are two types of transfer paper. You have light and dark. So the dark transfer paper is going to be used for darker materials. Sublimation paper cannot be used with darker materials and requires an inkjet printer. So that's basically the full operation process for this machine. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.